Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare beans leaves soup. First, let's get our main ingredient ready. You'll want to thoroughly wash about 200 grams of fresh bean leaves, ensuring all dirt is removed. After washing, chop them into medium-sized pieces. Some traditional methods also involve pounding the leaves slightly to help them soften and release their unique flavors, which adds a wonderful depth to the soup. This initial preparation is key for a delicious outcome. Now, let's build the rich flavor base for our soup. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of palm oil or your preferred vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add 1 chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves, sautéing them until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Next, stir in 1 diced tomato and a pinch of ground pepper, allowing this mixture to cook for approximately 5 minutes until the tomatoes soften. With our flavor base established, it's time to bring the soup together. Pour in about 4 cups of water or rich meat stock, then bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil. If you're including protein, add your pre-cooked meat or smoked fish at this stage, letting it simmer for about 5 minutes to infuse the broth. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish and 1 seasoning cube, ensuring all the flavors meld beautifully. We're almost ready to enjoy our wonderful soup. Carefully add the prepared bean leaves to the simmering pot, stirring them gently to combine. Let the soup simmer for just 3 to 5 minutes, or until the leaves are tender but still retain their vibrant green color. Now, taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with a little salt or any additional spices to your preference. Serve your hot, flavorful bean leaves soup, perhaps with a side of boiled yam or rice, for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.